This right here is actually a charging cord. To open it, you just go ahead and... Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about this Blavor power bank. I do want to mention I received this product in exchange for this video. Let's get started. So right away, it opens like this. And I do want to mention it has this very sturdy, durable exterior. So it's pretty strong. And you just go ahead and open it like this. And you can see your charge ports. This is the power button. You could turn it on or off. Your battery indicator is up here. And this is a neat feature that this has is this loop is actually a charging cord. Right here it says open or close. So all you need to do to open it is just twist it. And then your power cord comes out. And whenever you're done using your power cord, you can just go ahead, put everything back, slide it to close, and you're ready to store it and take it with you. Overall, this power bank is very portable, as you can see here. It's great for hiking, outdoors, camping, etc. And it doesn't take a lot of space up in your backpack. I am going to go ahead and connect a charger to it. Now, mind you, you do need a Type-C to Type-C charger if you're going to go ahead and use this, or a Type-C to USB-A. But I mean, you can go ahead and just connect your products that you want to charge. There you go, it's charging already, and you can see it's powered on. Okay, so now let's go ahead and connect the other one. And this, we're gonna go ahead and power a phone charger. And so here's the phone charger. Let's go ahead and power it. There you go. And that concludes the video on this Blavor power bank. Thank you.